Hi guys, Jeff here with another ceiling fade video. Today we're looking at a Snow White Casablanca Panama 5-blade, probably made late 90s. Haven't looked up the number on it yet to be sure. Fan's in really excellent condition. However, it had some bearing noise, so I have oiled the bearings. I'm going to go ahead and test it out now that I have it installed, and we'll see if the oil worked or if I'm going to need to replace them. And we will also, we'll see how straight the blade irons are. The flywheel looks really good on this thing. I don't think that's going to be an issue. I might put a new one on if I go in and replace the bearings, just because I have extras and if I'm doing that much. But let's see how she runs. I've not tried to straighten the blade irons or anything like that yet either. Oh, put hard on. So we're just using a W31 control right here, W32 except for only single installations, doesn't have the three-way ability. So start out reverse. I really want to get up to full speed pretty quickly here to see how these bearings are. Oh, I can hear them. Oh yeah. Not bad, but there's still some rattling around there. Fan looks like it's pretty well in balance. Slight little wobble here, so I'll have to do some balancing, but we'll wait till we get the new bearings for that. Oh yeah, you can definitely hear them on the spin down here. Let's see how they do on reverse. Or I'm sorry, let's see how they do going forward. We had the fan on reverse. Oh yeah. Not even high and you can hear those things. Man, those sound bad. I have not had a Casablanca that sounded that horrible. After oiling the bearings, that is. Normally, when you oil the bearings on these things, they quiet right down for the most part. Not making any noise at the moment on high, but they just were on the 5th speed, so they were definitely clattering around on reverse there. Still a little wobble, blowing down draft too, so we'll go through and straighten those blade irons. Oh yeah, now you can hear them again. Surprising, the bearings are in bad shape given how nice condition the fan is and the fact that it's a newer one. You know, this is something I kind of expect with a 80s Casablanca or even early 90s, but something as new as this fan, I am a little surprised to hear the bearing noise already. Well, given the oiling did not work, this fan will receive a new set of bearings. I'll have to look up what kind I need, get them ordered, and when it's all said and done, the bearings are in, the blades are adjusted. This should be a very nice fan for someone. It's going to be eBay bound, but I'm not going to put it up there until the issues are addressed because I don't sell fans that have problems unless they're fully disclosed. But for the most part, I try to correct any issue before I sell a fan. So, thanks for watching, and look forward to another video in the future showing the fan after the bearings are replaced.